The Diamond Setup Guide. In this video, we will be showing you how to set up your diamond scent system and everything you need to know to get your space smelling great. Unboxing. Inside the box, you will find your diamond diffuser and a 100 milliliter bottle of your preferred fragrance. Diffuser Specs. The Diamond is a plug-in scent diffuser. It uses a 100 milliliter bottle of aroma and can scent a space of up to 500 square feet. This diffuser is fully programmable with custom settings. Setting up your diffuser with oil. Unclip the latch located to the rear of the unit. Slide the diffuser head out and screw it onto the top of your aroma bottle. Next, slide the diffuser head and the bottle back into the unit and close the latch. Once the bottle is attached, do not flip it over as this can cause the unit to malfunction or stop working. Programming. Download the Air Essentials 2.0 app onto your device. It is available on the App Store and Google Play. Plug in your diamond diffuser and turn on Bluetooth. Open the Air Essentials 2.0 application and select Bluetooth. Tap on your device to access the diffuser using the factory password 1234. After connecting to your diamond diffuser, you will be able to change its name by tapping Smart, located at the top of your screen. Under this section, you will find your working period, which indicates your daily and hourly settings, along with concentration, which is the frequency of the spray. You can create up to 3 programs a day. Simply turn your program on and off with the slide located to the right of each program. Tap on the hour to adjust. Once you have placed your preferred hours of operation on the unit, tap on Concentration. On this screen, you will find 6 preset frequencies. The number to the left refers to how long the unit will atomize. The number to the right refers to how long the unit will pause in between sprays. You also have the option to place a custom frequency setting on your unit by tapping on Custom. Please note that the unit has a maximum frequency of 30 seconds atomizing and 90 seconds paused. Tap Save to save your preferred frequency settings, and press Save once more at the bottom of your screen. You can turn the unit on and off through the application with the power button located at the center of your screen. If you have any further questions or concerns regarding programming your diamond diffuser, please do not hesitate to contact us at 305-446-1670. Also, remember to follow us on our social media platforms for the latest updates and special offers.